So let's see today's lovely chili and ginger pickle recipe. Now here I'm using 50 grams of light green chilies, which are the less spicy type. Just wash them well, cut off the tips, and you're going to cut them into half-inch bits like this, or half-inch pieces, and set them aside. Now I'm using 50 grams. If you want to make a larger quantity, just double it up by using 100 grams and double up all the ingredients shown in the video. So once you're done chopping with your green chilies, the next ingredient we're going to go with is ginger. So I'm using 2 inches of ginger. I've washed the ginger really well and I'm just going to peel the ginger. Now don't discard this peel. You can use it when making tea. Just add it to your tea. And once you've peeled the ginger, just chop them up into very small cubes like I'll be showing you. So dice them up like this into very, very small cubes. Now this ginger adds a lovely flavor to this pickle. So this is a closer look. So once you slice it, just cut it up into smaller cubes like this. So now we're done with chopping up the 2 main ingredients. Now we're going to move on to making the masala for this pickle. Now in a small cudler or small pan, I've added half a teaspoon of oil, to which I'm going to add 3/4 of a tablespoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. You're going to fry this really well till you get the aroma of the fenugreek seeds. So for about half a minute on a low flame, stirring continuously. And once that is done, you're just going to transfer it to a mixer jar or to a mortar like this, mortar and pestle, and you're going to grind this to a very nice coarse powder. It's very easy to grind because we've fried it, so it becomes a nice coarse powder. Once that is done, just transfer it to a bowl. So that's our fried coarsely ground fenugreek powder or methi powder. Now next I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of this yellow mustard powder and grind it to a very fine powder. So now we have all our ingredients, that is 1 tablespoon of the fenugreek powder, which we're going to add to a bowl. Next I'm going to add this finely ground mustard powder, 2 tablespoons. So this is easily available in the grocery store. Just tell them that you want to make pickle and they'll know what you're talking about. Then you add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder and 1.5 tablespoon of asafoetida or hing powder. Now mix all these 4 ingredients together so this becomes our pickle masala powder. So you can prepare this in advance and store it in your refrigerator. So you can also see the lovely color that this pickle is going to get from the mustard powder as well as the turmeric powder. It has this lovely yellow color. So now we have all our ingredients, that is the chopped up chilies, the chopped up ginger. Now we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or lime juice. This is our masala powder that we just mixed, and we need some salt to taste. So to a bowl I'm going to add the green chilies. Next will go in the ginger. Next we're going to add the lemon juice or the lime juice. And then mix these 3 ingredients really well. Add some salt to taste. So roughly about 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to add all of this powder that we have ground, a little at a time, and just mix it all well together. And now we're going to temper this. So here I have about 5 tablespoons of oil. Once your oil is nice and hot, you're going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohri or rye, half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hinga, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Mix all of this well, and now you're going to put the flame or the heat off, and you're going to cool this for 15 minutes. We don't want to put a hot tempering. The oil has to be at room temperature, and then you just add it to this mixture and then mix everything really well together. And that's it, guys. Your lovely ginger and garlic pickle is ready. So now you can transfer it to a bottle, a clean glass bottle, and it tastes better after 2 days. So just keep it aside for 2 days till all of it comes nicely together, and then you can, start digging in and enjoying this pickle with any meal. It's really, really delicious. So I hope you give this recipe a try. And if you do, and if you like it, then don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big like by clicking on the thumbs up icon. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please click the red subscribe button. And once you have subscribed, click the notification on the button all. That way, whenever I put up a new video or a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. So thank you so much for being here and supporting Akshata's recipes. Do share my recipes with family and friends. And thank you once again, and I'll catch you in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Bye. Take care.